Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how you can create the logo for your YouTube or gaming channel. Okay, so do not skip any part of this video and stay with me. This will be very small and short video, but this is very useful for the beginner which they want to create the logo for their YouTube content. Okay, so at the same time you can design the banner for your YouTube channel also. In this video I'll teach you all these things. Okay, first of all, to create the free logo, we'll just go for the Canva. So Canva is a free software. You can use the international educational purpose account also. So this will provide you the pro version also, but at this time I'm using the premium version, and in this version we'll just create the logo for our gaming channel. Okay, so here you can just see the option for the shorts. Please go for it and go for the typing logo for gaming. Okay, so after that you can just go for the enter, and then you can find a lot of logos that are relevant for you. Okay, for example, there are a lot of logo. You can look over here and you can select any of these logo and you can customize very easily. Okay, so this is how you can create the logo for your YouTube channel or the gaming channel. For example, I just love this logo, so let's reprovise or design this logo and make this logo for our YouTube channel. That is very perfect. Okay, so we'll just click on this. Nothing you have to do, just scroll down and go for the customize this template. Then you can find all the accessible over here, and you can just select this logo. You can just change for the color over here. If you want to make the animation over here, you can just make it. At the same time, you can use this logo for making the animation video or intro video at the first part also. Okay, this is very much easy. You do not have to do anything. So it will provide you the two logo over here. The background image you can see over here, and the second one, there is no background image, it is very plain. So here we'll just have to change the font size, and our logo will be ready. Let's do it. So do not skip. So here is the Astro Max. For example, my gaming channel will be Sign Gaming. Okay, so you can look that I have just put the Sign Gaming over here, and you can just go for the PUBG Mobile. You can mention anything that you want. Okay, so for example, I can easily copy this. You can look over here, and if I just go for the control, or you can just go for the copy, then go down and you can just delete this item. Look, and just go for the control B. Now your logo is successfully ready. Okay, so at the same time, to download this, you can just click on this here and go for the download, and this logo will be downloaded, and this will download it as the PNG. Okay, so you can select for the which logo you want to download. Just select one of them, or you can download this both as a zip. Go for the download, or if you want to create the banner from the Canva, then go for the template and just close this, and here we'll just type the YouTube banner. Okay, so here we'll just go for the banner, then it will suggest you the banner, and there are a lot of banner by which you can edit the YouTube banner. Okay, so here it is not showing because I have just searched in my template, but if I go for the template and if I just search for the template, then it will show over here. Just look at this, there are a lot of gaming banners for your YouTube channel. Okay, you can look over here, you can customize any of these, and this look very fantastic. Okay, so this is how you can design the logo and the banner for your YouTube. If you are studying the gaming channel or any other channel, then this is how you can create, and you can easily download this thing and you can put this thing on the YouTube channel. Okay, so this much for today. This is very short tutorial video, but if you need any other help, please comment in the comment section below. I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe will value for your support. Thanks for watching this video, as this video was made after a long time because my YouTube channel was banned and it was more than 2 years, but I am back with my channel and I have just recovered this channel. So I'll be available with you from this channel onwards. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye.